Need to speed up your customer interactions? Use Chatbot Builder to create personalized AI-driven chatbots without any coding knowledge. Simply select the document you want to use and upload it in the data source. AI bots can search through and learn from documents. To train your chatbot, add a link for the chatbot to crawl. Choose which links to use for training. That's good. Click on Train to begin the learning. Make it easier for users to find the answers they need by suggesting a question at the start. Customize your AI bot to match your brand style. Name your chatbot, add your brand tagline, and upload a relatable avatar. Cool. To see how it looks, click on Preview. Aha! It can take any questions. Ready to deploy? Embed the chatbot on your website with the Chatbot Launcher. Fire away. Automate common inquiries, analyze chats, reduce resolution time, and supercharge your customer conversations with Chatbot Builder. Launch your first chatbot in minutes. Get started.
Hey everyone, here are some of the interface updates you need to know. So we can see a new account and an old account that I have. On the old account, you will notice that you can navigate as always. The thing that will change from before is that now the agents are going to be under AI Hub and no longer under OpenAI or under any of the others. You still connect your API key on each one under settings, integrations, and under the provider you want to use. But now the agents, for you to find them, you need to go to AI Hub. You can see here on the new accounts that you have the option to create an agent. You will notice that if you already have an agent, you have AI tools on the top.
Now Wendy has covered exactly what happened with the agents and how they have relocated. Now I'm going to just show you under AI tools, we've got files. Right, so the AI answers from your files. So just simply upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, etc. Then the AI will search them to provide smart, context-aware answers. So that's another addition from here. This is the latest update. Then we've got AI functions in here as well. Let AI perform tasks in your flows. AI functions allow your agents to take action inside the flows, like book an appointment, sending data, or connecting users to human agents. And finally, MCP servers. So connect AI to external systems via MCP. So MCP servers let your AI agents perform advanced tasks by connecting to external systems and services. Now, another thing that's not going to be in the usual place is keywords, and we can find it right here. So once we click on keywords, we can see that it directs us straight away to the keyword section. So auto reply with keywords. Keywords allow basic auto responses, but we strongly recommend using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude X AI for smarter replies based on your business data. Now, another thing we can do is we can click on functions from the left side menu right here, and that will also take us to the AI functions section right here. So again, AI Hub is where we'll have the agents. This is where you set up your agent. We've got under AI tools files, AI functions, and MCP servers, and finally keywords. So let's keep building.
Welcome to Chatbot Builder AI. My name's Ryan Baggett, and I'm glad you're here. If you're interested in starting an account, there's not a faster, easier way to build a chatbot powered by ChatGPT or Google Gemini. If you're interested in building the world's best AI for your business or for your agency to serve your clients better, you've come to the right place. Chatbot Builder AI is built by chatbot builders for chatbot builders. I've been in this game since 2018, and I've formed a team of expert builders from around the world to help you build better AI solutions and make more money and optimize for your business. If you have any questions, always feel free to DM us on our social media channels, tap that chat widget, or give me a call, 843-505-1657, or email me, Ryan at Chatbot Builder AI. Again, thanks for checking us out. Have a great day.